From speculation about the next surprise in global politics to an AI bellwether, these are the stories to watch in business and finance in the coming week. US President Donald Trump's intervention in Venezuela has set the stage for a year where geopolitical risk will dominate markets and shape economies around the globe. Energy markets are stirred by Washington rewriting the rules in Latin America, and there are concerns about US intentions elsewhere. US Secretary of State Marco Rubio will meet with Danish officials in the coming days, as European leaders and NATO allies scramble to push back on Greenland acquisition talks. At home, the US Supreme Court is set to deliver its verdict on the legality of Trump's tariffs, and a nomination for the chair of the US Federal Reserve is expected imminently. A crucial view into US inflation trends will help investors gauge prospects for further near-term interest rate cuts. Tuesday's US Consumer Price Index for December kicks off a return to normal data flow following the 43-day government shutdown that delayed or canceled a number of key reports. The CPI report is among the last key releases ahead of the Fed's meeting later this month. Inflation has persistently remained above the Fed's 2% target, presenting a potential barrier to more monetary easing by the central bank. Earnings from Taiwan semiconductor manufacturing on Thursday will be closely watched for signals of whether the artificial intelligence investment boom has further to run. It's already reported an estimated beating revenue for the fourth quarter. The supplier to tech heavyweights is expected to say full-year sales climbed 31% to over $120 billion, according to the LSEG Smart estimate. Major U.S. bank results kick off a fourth quarter earnings season. The largest U.S. lender, JP Chase, reports on Tuesday, followed by Citigroup, Bank of America, and Wells Fargo on Wednesday, and Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley on Thursday. A surge in investment banking revenue as deal-making accelerates is expected to bolster the bank's fourth quarter results.